Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, we're going to talk about unlock the spike feature in Microsoft Word. And right here, I'm currently inside the Microsoft Word document or software, if you may, and I have a sample datasheet right here. So we have three columns. We have Philippines, USA, and Mexico. New ring bands is basically the topic of this data right here. They're just random datasheets or names that I concocted so we can have a sample. Anyway, for this one, I know you're familiar with what we call a clipboard, right? So basically, what is a clipboard? So clipboard can be found in here. If you click on that right there under home button or home section, you can find everything you've copied inside Microsoft. For example, if I click on this one highlighted the ice house, and then simply click on Ctrl C, you'll notice right there that it has been added. I can delete or paste this one wherever I see fit. Clear all or paste all, that is basically the idea here. So let's just try this one out. The topic of this video is not the clipboard but a spike. So a spike is if you know in a restaurant where the receipts are being spiked on the receipt spike basically. Imagine that, okay? So how it works is basically the same process as copy and paste or cut and paste. For example, tuna, Spanish, and then cumpleaños. If I want to move this 3 right here to this column under Philippines, I need to make sure that they're gonna be cut all at the same time. So instead of using the Ctrl X or Ctrl C simultaneously, I can just simply do this. First, tuna, I'm gonna type in Ctrl F3, and then another one for Spanish. Ctrl F3, same drill with cumpleaños. So what you notice right there is I have removed 3. So how can I enable them or paste it inside Philippines? Because I cannot really use Ctrl V. If I use Ctrl V right here, I'm gonna have the ice house, the one from the clipboard earlier. I don't need that. I need the ones I took from Mexico. So since this is gonna be a different command, I have removed them or placed them under the spike using Ctrl F3. To make sure to paste them from the spike, type in Ctrl Shift F3. And as you can see right there, they're all together. So what is the difference of the spike and a clipboard? So a clipboard is basically if you choose one, that's the one you're gonna paste. However, if you try copying this one, for example, I'm gonna click on copy for this one, and I paste it right here. That's gonna be the Human League, right? Copy it one more time here, like so. And then if I copy the naturalist right here, perfect. And then if I paste it right here, the last one that's copied will be the one that will be recognized. That's the difference of the spike. Spike can copy no matter how much or how many you like. And basically, just paste them all together. For example, right here, I'm going to paste them all together. There we have it. Easy as that. So I have a different scenario here. For example, I want Chile's and then redhead to be under USA. But I don't want to be removed under Mexico. So if I use the spike, Ctrl F3, and then do it one more time for redhead, Ctrl F3 right there, paste it right here for Ctrl Shift F3, it will be placed under USA, that's correct. However, it will be gone under Mexico, which is going to be these two right here. So there's a workaround here. So just type in here Ctrl F3, and then Ctrl Z to undo. Same drill for this one. Make sure you just enable it and then place it on the spike. So on F3, cut it, and then Ctrl Z to undo it. And then where you want to place it, let's just go here under Philippines. Ctrl Shift F3 here, you're gonna have those two on another column. However, they're still gonna be at the same column from the original column. Mexico, and then transfer to Philippines without being cut. That's how it works, guys. There's a loophole, a workaround, and the spike. And basically that's it. Take note, if you want to have multiple data on your spike, just do so. Instead of using the cut option, that will be tiresome. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.